Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. Now, before starting the continuation of grammar, I want to let you know about the SA1 exams will be held from 27th of this month only, means the next Monday, right? So you have to be prepared, and I am giving you the questions for the exam. I'll be sending the worksheet also. No, don't worry. Right. So you have to learn from worksheet from June. That is 2 worksheets what I had given. One before I had given. Now I'll be sending now. Right. So that both the worksheet you have to get prepared. Right. So I'll write the portions for the SA1. Portions for SA1. Right. Note down, children. In grammar, sentences, article, nouns. Okay. In literature, that is Gulmaha book. Literature, you have Unit 1, 2, and 3. Poem, that is books and tiger. Right, read only tiger, children. Okay, poem. Read only tiger. Poem also you have to by heart. Okay, tiger poem. Read. Memorize first and second stanzas of the poem Tiger, right? Then refer worksheet of FA1 and SA1. What I am going to send now, that SA1 worksheet. Before what I have sent for FA1, that is also you have to refer. Grammar textbook, then classwork, right? And also you have to read from the textbook, Gulmaha textbook also. Okay. Note down, children, the portions. Now after this, I am going to give you a few revision also. Okay. Little revision I will be giving. Okay, have you noted down, children? Now we'll come back to the this one, rounds from grammar textbook. Okay. Now we are coming to the grammar textbook, countables and uncountable nouns. In the word only you will understand countable, counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Uncountable, which you cannot count. Now suppose a spoon of sugar. Okay, a spoon of sugar. Can you count the sugar crystals? No. A pinch of salt. Can you count the powder of the salt? No. So, a bag of sand. A bag of sand. Can you count the each and every small stones of the sand? No. Just it is uncountable. Countable means the books, bundle of books. You know that bundle of books, you can count either it is 10, 30, 50 like that, isn't it? Or a dozen of bangles. Dozen of bangles means 12 bangles, right? And a 6 days or even a kg of tomato, you can count it. Per kg, how many tomatoes you have got. If you take a lot of, a bag of tomato, means a quintal of tomatoes like that, you cannot count each and every. The patience will not be there, isn't it? So likewise, few are countable and few are uncountable. So here, countable nouns, how many are there? We note the how many are there. In singular, a dog. If it is a plural, a dogs, 2 dogs. See, in the picture they have given you. A horse, 3 horses. A star, many stars. Stars are uncountable. We cannot count 1, 2, 3 throughout the sky, isn't it? An egg, 5 eggs. A man, some man. A child, 3 children. Right. See, countable nouns have singular and plural forms. We use the indefinite article a or an before singular countable nouns. We use some, many, a few, and exact number before the plural. Will count, or many people are there. A crowd of people means many people are there. It may be 100. Okay, many people have come to the function. When you count, we can count it. Somehow we can count the people, isn't it? So we can have the that are in plural countable nouns. Now we'll see. They bought, fill in the blanks with plural forms of the nouns given. Plural. Tomato, page 25. Okay. They bought some tomatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Deer, deer only. The plural of deer is deer itself. Life, lives. Many people lost their lives in the accident. Baby, babies. Babies. Then man, men. Men. There are some men in the queue. The shepherd is taking all his sheep. Taking all his sheep. Taking all his sheep to the mountain side. An adult has 32 teeth. Tooth is given. Tooth plural is teeth. India won all the matches. All the matches. Pluck the mangoes from the tree. Underline the right word. Keep all the windows. All. Many windows are there. Underline these words. Second. This is second main. This is first main. Windows. Underline windows. We cut a lemon into 2 halves. Halves. With a knife. With a knife. With a knife. A thief, A is given, so it's singular. A thief entered the house from the back door. He has three child or children. Children, yeah. 3 children. Where are my keys? R is given, so it is plural keys. Wash the cherries before you eat them. Wash the cherries. Then a baby cow is called a calf. My hobby is is a singular. My hobbies or means hobbies will come. Are plural. Here is given hobby. All the questions are easy. Questions. So uncountable, you read this, which are uncountable, you'll see. Now come to the third, me. Now third man, add uncountable nouns to the following. A piece of cake. The picture is shown, children. Okay. A slice of bread. Bread. Slice. Bread. A glass of milk. A spoon of sugar. A pinch of salt. Then this side what you have? A cup of coffee or tea, whichever you need. A bar of chocolate. A bowl of soup. A bottle of Coke. A scoop of ice cream. A scoop of ice cream. Next. The words given below are uncountable nouns. Add suitable words as shown. I'll write there only. Fourth main. Second one it is here. First one is already done for you. Second one I'll write here. A pair of jeans. A pair of jeans. Third. Jeans is already given. Only dashes I am writing. A piece of cloth. A piece of cloth. Chalk. A piece of paper. A piece of paper. Fifth. A tube of toothpaste. A piece of cloth. Again, a piece of cloth. A pair of pants. A pair of pants. A bar of soap. A bar of soap. A piece of luggage. 10th, a ball of wool. Fifth main. I spread, you have to write some, many, a few, a little, a lot of, any, a and an. Okay, first one, some, any, have some coffee. If you want to travel around the world, it will cost you a lot of. Fifth, Mary likes to read. She has got many. I have got a lot of luggage. A lot of. I need a pen and some paper. Some paper. Get some bread from the bakery. Bread. Ninth one. We get a lot of fresh air. A lot of fresh air. Mani is a quiet person. He has got only a few. Eat a lot of. Eating a lot of chocolate is bad for your teeth. There are many hotels in the city. Sixth main. Take the right word. We bought some furniture. Take that. Some furniture. Deepa bought a pair of clothes. She cut the paper with a pair of scissors. Third one. A pair of scissors. He won a pair of, fourth one, a pair of pens. Fifth one, there is a lot of food. A lot of food. Sixth one, give me a piece of chalk. A piece of chalk. A piece of chalk. Seventh one, I want some soap. Some soap. Eighth one, the baby has a lot of hairs. Hair. Lot of hair. Ticket. Grandma has a pair of spectacles. Ninth one, a pair of spectacles. You are not supposed to write. Where this is, you have to tick for that. So don't worry about the handwriting. She fried the fish in a little oil. Little oil. I ate a slice of bread. A slice of bread. I bought a pair of jeans. A pair of jeans. Yes, children. You can pause the video and you can watch this. Okay? You can copy, read for the test exam. Okay? Fill in the blanks with the words given. How many? How much? See, how many hours? 1 hour, 2 hour, we can take it. Isn't it? It is countable. So, how many? First one is, how many? This is 7th May. How many? Second one, how much money do you have? If there is a box of coins, isn't it? There it is uncountable. So we'll count later. Many coins will be there. So how much? How much luggage? How much sugar? Fifth one, how many stories? How many stories? Sixth one, how many brothers? How many? How much brother you should not say. How many brothers? have you got? Seventh one, how many languages? How many languages do you speak? Eighth one, how many people are there? How much water? How much water do you drink every day? How many students are there in your class? Read the passage below. Put the words in the bold in the right column. Mother took us to a restaurant. Restaurant is a countable. I'll write here C and UN here. Okay, uncountable. You see, I'll write uncountable. It is countable. Okay, a restaurant. A restaurant. We looked at the menu and ordered many dishes. Countable. Many dishes. Then I ate some noodles. Noodles. Uncountable. Noodles. Ice cream. Then 4 puris, countable. 4 puris. And drank a glass of juice, uncountable. Juice. Pritham ate some fried rice, uncountable. And some fruit salad, uncountable. Okay. Mother had 2 idlis, and a cup of coffee. If you don't have space, you just draw a line and you can write this side, okay? Coffee. The waiter came with the bill, with one bill, okay? Mother paid the money. Mother paid the money. Okay? So here ends your grammar noun lesson. Okay? Lesson now. So we'll finish it now. Okay? Have you completed? We are completed. I'll give the pattern of the lesson. Yes, for assignment. Do you think this is only the revision also? Okay. From grammar, I am going to give you revision. Okay. First main, page. Page 8. Okay. In that, fourth main is there. Punctuation. If you are not written the answer, I'll write now. Okay. Assignment, revision. Okay. First, that only homework. Assignment is nothing but homework. Okay. From page, first main. First, this one. Okay. Page 8, fourth main. I'll give the answers here. If you are not copied, you have to copy. Add the correct punctuation mark each after each sentences. What a good idea! Exclamatory mark. Then, how far is the airport? Question mark. Look both way before you cross the street. Full stop. Can you visit the theme park? Question mark. My hobbies are singing and dancing. Full stop. Are you joking? Question mark. What an amazing story! Exclamatory mark. Come here. Come here. Full stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This main you have to write, and I'll give you the another main. In articles. First, second, page 17. Page 17, ninth main. Page 17, ninth main. This is only the revision, children. Page 27, fourth main. Now, just now I gave before this. Fourth main. Okay? These three you have to write and practice. Got it? Okay, children, have you understood? This is the assignment. It is nothing but revision part. Write in your homework. Don't worry. Write in your revision book. Write in revision book. Write in revision book. Okay? Revision book only you have to write, children. You have, everybody are having revision book. Okay? Write these three mains. In the next class, the other few mains I am going to give. Apart from that, you will have some other thing which I will give in the pattern. Right? Few I will not be giving in the revision book. Okay? Only few things I will be giving. You have to refer the refer worksheet, everything fully. Okay. The first one and the second worksheet. Got it? So have a nice day. Read well. Get prepared for the examination. Have a nice day, children.